For this currency, the upward trend isn't over yet. I expect a move like this, a retest of the 0.1060 resistance, and from there, a move towards the 0.134-0.14 resistance. That's an increase of more than 60%. We published this recommendation yesterday on our channel. As you can see, friends, at prices of 0.075-0.074, the currency took off in just about 4 hours and achieved all our targets. As you can see, friends, an increase exceeding 30%. So, in this video, we'll see the currency's targets. Will it continue to rise, or has the upward trend ended? Here we have the currency's chart on the daily time frame. If we switch to the 15-minute time frame, we see that the currency has entered a correction. Of course, it bounced off the 0.10-0.1060 resistance. Here we have support on the intraday time frame, on the 15-minute time frame, around the 0.080-0.084 area. I expect a move like this. Regarding the first target, of course, the next resistance level is around 0.10, approximately 0.106, representing a rise of over 20%. If the currency manages to stay above this 0.10 resistance, it will then target resistance at 0.134, approximately 0.14, representing a rise of over 60%. That's all for now regarding this currency. If you're interested in trading, you'll find a link to our free Telegram trading channel in the first comment or in the description box.